diapers changed. You're getting belched. Oh. What else do you want?
You should just leave that mommies.
Good idea.
Mom, you think she can handle it? She think I don't know what I'm doing? Okay. I have a problem with it. Do you? Okay. Just make sure she got enough diapers. Give her a whole thing of formula. She can use Deer Park water. She good.
She can't use Deer Park water.
That's what that is, Deer Park.
Yeah, but it's especially made for the baby.
Well, she's gonna have to put brown on that.
Boy, Facebook is gonna love this.
Cool.
Man, that kid shits more than anything.
That's healthy.
She shits more than me.
She's healthy.
Let's see the little baby's face. That way they know who we're talking about. Yeah, you know you're on camera, right? You're being recorded, everything you do. And you don't like it. We bring you everywhere, and we get yelled at by everybody. So, we're going to give Grandma a big surprise today. Grandma's keeping you all day. Let's see if she's going to like that. Huh? Oh, you pig. You're definitely in the Allen family.
Got more?
What do you want? You just ate 8 ounces of milk for 2 weeks old.
8 ounces?
Said that bottle and that one.
Yeah, but that was hours ago.
No, it wasn't.
It was 2 hours ago.
Listen, you gotta do the hair, do it in a pushback. Make the kid look like a little guinea.
Say, I'm only half. Well, 25%.
Man, that kid looks more like me, so that kid's more guinea than anything. Only thing she has on you is the smushed in nose.
Ah, good girl. And my eyes.
Temporary. Salute. One more. No more.
Bless you.
Now you content, little one? Okay, say bye-bye. We're going off the air. And this is what we got to deal with every night. She don't want to stay quiet. Poor baby.